Hello everyone! For this video, we will learn how to make homemade shawarma. Before we start cooking, prepare the following. In a bowl, mix 1 cup of warm water, 2 teaspoons of olive oil, and 2 teaspoons of salt. Then mix it until the salt is dissolved. Then set it aside. In a big mixing bowl, add 2 cups of flour, then 2 teaspoons of instant yeast. Mix it until the yeast and flour are mixed together. After, add the previous mixture to this mixture. Pour the water slowly. Mix everything together. Knead and dough around 3 to 5 minutes. I know it's tiring, but you can do it, guys. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more cooking videos and easy recipes. Then cover the dough for at least 20 to 30 minutes. While waiting, let's cook our ground pork. But you can also use ground beef. In a pan, add a small amount of oil. When it is already hot, saute the garlic and onions. After that, add the ground pork. Then add salt and pepper. Then stir it constantly. Then add some liquid seasoning, or you can use only soy sauce. Then, add brown sugar if you want your pork to taste a bit sweet. When it is already cooked, turn off the stove and set it aside, and let's go back to the dough. Divide the dough into small pieces. Flatten the dough. If it gets too sticky, sprinkle some flour to the workplace. It is up to you how thin you want your pita to be. For me, I don't want it to be super thin, but I also don't want it to be too thick. If the pita is now ready, put it in a pan and cook each side for at least 1 to 2 minutes. You can have whatever toppings you want. I just use what is available in our kitchen. For my sauce, I only use mayonnaise. The last thing you have to do is to assemble your shawarma. You can do it in this way, or you can do it this way. Tada! Homemade shawarma is ready. Serve it and enjoy. Thank you for watching!